Hey, good evening, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, first thing you're going to see is I move the fibs. Some time has passed, so we've gone from the high of January 6th down to the lows that we posted. So that's something new, just to be aware of. Everything else stays the same. You can see that we finished right at the T8 and below the 23.6 retracement level. We started the day at the 38.2 retracement level and right at the 20 EMA. So we get sandwiched right in between those two averages. There's the 50 EMA that we talk about, that we need to post closes above the 50 EMA and hold them to really note a short-term bottom has put in. We can do it with the 20, but if we can hold the 50, much better. And today the 200-day moving average is down to 10,304. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of areas here, support and resistance. And this is the longer term. The most recently confirmed upside resistance level for the Dow is 9,329. So expect prices to have difficulty rising above 93.29, and the downside support now is 78.64. That's longer term. Now let's look at the shorter term resistance. We have a downside support level of 82.84, which we broke a while ago, so this is a bearish sign. So we really need to get above 82.84, and that's going to provide some upside resistance. If we break through with heavy volume, the better. Let's pick something else. Let's take stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator today is 72.70, and it's bounded between 0 and 100. And there were no stochastic signals buy or sell today at all. Let's take a look at the volatility analysis. The Bollinger Bands are 18.52% narrower than normal, and today volume was 38% below average. And I noticed that during today while we were trading the E-minis, there were many times that volume just dried up. Let's look at our favorite Chandé chart checkup. Still, the overall price bias is downward. In short term, prices are stalling, and in the intermediate term, they are trending. And you can see we're kind of stuck right in that range. Based on the Chandé chart checkup, the upper bound is 88.24, and our lower bound on this chart checkup is 74.57. And right now, prices are vulnerable to a correction towards 9,072. So we're back up to the fib level, or towards the fib level. And, right up, we'd be playing a game right in this upper quadrant of the Gann fan if we were to reach those levels and reach it soon. Well, thank you for joining Uncle Mike this evening for the Dow Directions. Please visit the site. If you like to day trade, please join us. There's a free trial in the room. Today we were 5-0, and somebody trading 3 contracts would have netted, I believe, $700 today. And yesterday, I think it was 7-1, and that would have netted about $1,400. So if you like to day trade the S&P E-minis on a consistent, disciplined basis, please take the free trial, join Uncle Mike, or give me a call, and I'll be happy to discuss it with you. Thanks, and have a wonderful evening.